Let's now put these parts together, and we're going to use the fastened mate for everything in this assembly. Let's start with the first flat bearing here. So we'll click up here on the fasten mate, and then we'll come and we'll put it right in the middle of this hole over here. And as a reminder, once you're sort of on that face, sometimes it'll pop all over the place. What you want to do, once you're on the face that you want to have, press the shift key and it'll stay on that face. You can move it all around, it's not going to pop around anywhere else. So that's where I want to have my first mate connector. So I'll click there, left click, and then I will come over here. And you'll recall we want to have it right on the second one in the middle. So I'm going to hit shift again so it stays on that face, and then zoom up and put it right there, and boom. Let's see if that looks okay. So I'll accept that, and it looks like that got it. Okay, so we just need to put that one mate in there and it'll take care of it. It won't rotate. Let's now put the screw in there. So I'll come up here and I'll click the fasten mate button again, and then I'll come over here, hold shift. You can kind of see it's right in the center of the underside of the top of the screw, so I'll left click there, back out a bit, come over here and put it right, hold shift and put it right there, and I think that looks good. Okay, so that one we'll want to do the other one as well. Now there is a way to duplicate this, a clever way to do this, but it doesn't work in all cases. So now we're just going to hold off and do it manually, and then we'll come back and take a look at how to, I don't think I move, do this a little more elegantly. So let's once again come up to the screw. I'm going to hold shift so it stays on there, left click, come over here, zoom up, left click, and I've got my screws in there. Now it's time for me to put the nuts on there. Let's see, let me just move this down a little bit. Okay, so fastened here. Let's see, how do I want to do that? I think I can come over here and just put it right there, and then over here we'll put it right there, and let's see if that looks right. Well, sometimes it'll, oh, you know what I forgot to do? Shame on me, I forgot to fix a component in here, a part. That's why they're kind of moving around, although that seemed to work. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to get out of the fastened, and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to fix my C-channel. Right click, fix. One part in your assembly's got to be fixed. Okay, so that looks pretty good there. Let's put the other nut on and then we'll be on our way. Here it is right here. So zoom up. Over here, we're kind of moving around. We're looking for that hole in there. Oh, I got to press the fastened mate. There it is. And hold shift key so it stays on that plane. Left click. Come over here. And we'll zoom up and stay on here. We'll left click there. Shift 7 kind of brings me back. I think it worked okay. Okay, so there we go. So we just need to do that 2 more times. And again, there's a way to do this a little more elegantly, but these square holes kind of interfere with that. So we're going to have to do this manually. So the next thing I would do is just do the same thing to these two. And again, we're going to move down and put it right here, I think, in the 7th, and then we're going to move in the same amount on the right end as we did here. So make sure you have those in the right place by referring to the original document. So I think I'll stop here, and that'll be the first part of our drivetrain subassembly. Thanks for watching.